Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Geek. Today Asus launched Zenfone Max Pro, which is their new mid-range smartphone. And in this video, we will do an overview and find out if it's really the Redmi Note 5 Pro killer. So let's start. Zenfone Max Pro is the latest mid-range phone by Asus and it would be available to purchase through Flipkart from 3rd of May. The starting price of the Zenfone Max Pro is Rs 10,999 for the 3GB RAM and 32GB storage variant. And we also have a 4GB RAM and 64GB storage variant at Rs 12,999. In terms of hardware configuration, there is a 5.99-inch IPS HD Plus display with the 18:9 aspect ratio. The phone is powered by Snapdragon 636 and it is available in 3GB and 4GB RAM variant. Asus also said that soon there will be a 6GB RAM variant with upgraded rear camera setup. The camera on the Zenfone Max Pro is a dual vertical camera setup where we have one 13MP primary camera with an aperture of f2.2 along with a 5MP secondary depth sensing sensor. The front camera is 8MP with an aperture of f2.2 and comes with a soft light LED. The battery on the phone is a massive 5000 mAh bundled with a 10W adapter. So here are my opinions on the Zenfone Max Pro. Starting from the build quality and design, the phone feels premium in the hand, it's lightweight and in spite of having a 5000 mAh battery, it weighs just 180 grams. There is a 2.5D arc glass in the front and the phone is made up of metal mostly. There are antenna bands on the top, something very similar to what we have seen in the Xiaomi devices. And despite of a large 6-inch screen, the phone doesn't feel that big in the hand. In terms of display, we have a 5.99-inch 18:9 display which has a full HD resolution. Zenfone Max Pro has the 85% body-to-screen ratio, which is better as compared to the 77% of the Redmi Note 5 Pro. And with the 450 nits brightness, the display looks bright enough with good viewing angle. Processor on the Zenfone Max Pro is a Snapdragon 636 and with the stock Android Oreo, it is blazingly fast and in my opinion, this phone could be the fastest phone in this price segment. The battery is 5000 mAh and we get a 10W power adapter along with it. And Asus also claims that it takes around 2 hours 45 minutes to charge the device from 0 to 100, which is 30% faster than the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Now let's talk about the camera on this phone. We have the dual vertical camera setup where we have the 30MP primary and a 5MP secondary camera. And here are some pictures which are taken from the camera shared by Asus itself, and these are the unedited pictures. The bokeh effect is good provided there is enough light, but in low light you will notice some noise in the pictures. I have tested the camera myself in a quick hands-on and I found it to be honest just average. It takes some time to focus and there is no manual or pro mode in the app. Talking about the camera app more, the UI of the app is very basic as compared to the stock Android camera app. Now moving towards the software part, the phone comes with the stock Android Oreo out of the box. Asus also said that you'll be getting continuous updates on the phone for next 2 years, which is definitely a good thing over the MIUI of the Redmi Note 5 Pro. In terms of speakers, the phone has 5 magnet speaker which comes with the NXP smart amplifier and you get the loud and clear output from the speaker. You also get a sound amplifier accessory Max box free along with the phone, which is also a nice gesture by the company. So to conclude whether the Zenfone Max Pro is the Redmi Note 5 Pro killer or not. So first let's talk about why it's better than the Redmi Note 5 Pro. And in my opinion, the first factor is the pricing. Zenfone Max Pro is aggressively priced at Rs 11,000, which is surely an amazing deal if you consider the overall package. MI phones are always considered as value for money with good hardware configuration. But you're getting almost same configuration of the Redmi Note 5 Pro with some improvements such as bigger battery and pure Android experience. The combination of the hardware we have on the Zenfone Max Pro and the stock Android is definitely a plus point over the Redmi Note 5 Pro. I have seen people facing issue with the warranty with the MI phones, but with the Asus and Flipkart exclusive partnership where Flipkart is offering complete care package exclusively for this phone for Rs 49, which makes it better choice overall to go with the Zenfone Max Pro. But if your main priority is the camera performance, then the Redmi Note 5 Pro performs better than the Zenfone Max Pro. But again, I will still say that the overall package of the Zenfone Max Pro is a killer deal. So that's it guys, this was our opinion about the Asus Zenfone Max Pro. Let us know what you think about this phone and also comment below if you also think that the Zenfone Max Pro is the Redmi Note 5 Pro killer. We will try to make complete review of this phone where we will be covering more about the camera, performance and we will compare this phone with the other phones in this price segment. So stay tuned for that. And if you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off and I'll see you in the next one.